Hey guys, welcome back. Chelsea here from ChelC Paints. So today I'm going to do a flip cup on my 4" by 4" tile here. I have been trying to do the Shelee bloom on these tiles, but I'm not getting it down. So I'm going to sign up for that online course that she has. It's Shelee Art. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it's a big thing going around right now. And I'm going to sign up for it first thing Monday morning because I cannot seem to do it by myself. So today I'm going to do just a simple flip cup. I have Artist Loft colors today. These are just some paints that I had mixed up already. It's 70 to 30 Floetrol to paint. I also have a white and a gold that I'm going to use, kind of like a beachy theme. So I'm going to go ahead and layer my cup. If you guys have ever heard of that Shelee Art thing, you know what I'm talking about. Those cells that she gets and the lacing is just beautiful. And there's another artist, Tammy Anderson. She made a video about it. Kanella, Ciraco's made a video about it on how they mix their paints. And I've been trying, but I can't seem to get it down. So yeah, I'm gonna take that online course. It's pretty cheap. It's like $60 here in the US. I'll go ahead and put her website down in the description for you guys to check out. So all of my paints are mixed 70 to 30 Floetrol to paint. And I'm not going to need very much because I'm not working on a huge surface. I think maybe just a little bit more gold. And then a little bit more white. That's probably all I need right there. Got it layered, ready to go. Flip it onto the tile. Probably go around it with some white just to help it move whenever I pick up that cup there. If you guys don't have any of these little bottles, you should really invest in some. They are very helpful. I'll put the link down in the description where I got mine. It's at LOFT. Okay, I'm just gonna lift this up a little bit. It does look beachy, and there are some cells. That looks kind of cool. Okay. I think I'll just let the paint settle for a second. Wow, that's really pretty. Starting to go off the edge on this side. I'm just going to kind of stretch it around, maybe move it in a circle. I'm probably going to lose all of those pretty cells. Maybe if I stretch it. this way first. It's kind of cool, like a little hurricane right there in the middle. I don't want to lose that, but I think it's going to happen. This looks pretty cool. So I was trying to get the blooms the other day and I could not get them. I mean, my tiles came out cool looking, but oh, it's just not the same. Just gonna smear this, hope it come over a little bit. I kind of like run my fingers along the edges. That helps get that paint flowing. I think there's still a lot of paint on here. I'm gonna end up, I really like that part right there, so I think I'm gonna come this way first and then I'll go back that way. This looks pretty cool. Very, very, very ocean-like. I think I still have quite a bit of paint on there. Let me see if I can stretch it back this way. Maybe I'll go that way. That corner over there is kind of, there's a lot of green. This looks really pretty. So, the colors, I love these colors by Artist Loft. They're a metallic blue and a metallic cobalt blue. Gosh, they're so pretty. I'm trying to get it down to this corner to stretch all what's left of those cells out. Try to get it to go to that corner up there. This one over here. Bring it back down a little bit. Okay, I think I'm done. Yep, this looks pretty good. Let me get it cleaned up and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Check this out. Definitely got a water vibe going on here. It's so pretty. I lost most of those cells, but those little thin white streaks in there remind me of the ocean so much. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. There are some cells down there, right there in the middle. So after this dries, I'm planning on covering it in resin. I have never played with resin before, so I'm super excited about that. But I think that's just what this will need, is a good coat of resin, and then it's gonna be super shiny and bring out all these colors. There's lots of like, it's almost green in here, I don't know. I'm trying to get this to focus. It's so pretty. Okay. Focus, there we go. All right, let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching.